Let's learn about divisions. How do we do it? Okay, in some places they would do 45 divided by 3. Then we would have, okay, let's take the 4 and see. 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay. So what is the subtraction of this? 1. And then we would bring the 5. And then 3 times 5. Oops. 5, it's 15. This would be a 0. And we're done. This is what it is. I think it's easier without doing the whole subtraction, like 3 times 1 is 3, and I say 3 to 4, 1. 3, 4, just 1, and then bring the 5. Then like before, 3 times 5 is 15, to 15, 0, we're done. I think this way is easier. But why did I put a 1 here instead of, for example, a 2? I could have put the 2, but then 3 times 2, that's 6. And 6 to 4, I cannot do that because 6 is bigger than 4. So that's why instead of this, I went too far. So it's 1 because that's 3 times 1 is 3, and to 4, 1. So now I'm going to do it the American way, which to me is very confusing. So we would do 45 divided by the 3. This looks so weird to me. And then we would say, okay, 3 times 1, that's 3. So we will put the 3 here and subtract. And then this would be 1. And then I would bring the 5. It's similar, but a little bit different. 5. And then I would say, okay, 5 times 3 is 15. So I put the 15 here. And when I subtract, 0 and done. But to me, it's more confusing. Okay, now we're going to do this again. Well, not this, different one. So let's compare both ways. The first way, 115 divided by 5. Okay, we cannot take only the 1 because it's already smaller than 5, so that's not going to work. So let's try the 11. Okay, we could try 3, but 5 times 3 is 15, which is bigger than the 11. So we're not doing the 3. So we are going to try smaller, 2. 5 times 2, 10. Yeah, it's smaller than 11. So 5 times 2, 10. To 11, 1. Then we bring down the 5. And then, like before, 5 times 3, 15, to 15, 0, and we're done. This is 23. That's the way that I think it's easier. So now we're going to try it the American way. Let me split it up and let's start here. I'm going to do 115 like before, but now the divided is this way, divided by 5, and then we start with the 11 as before. Okay, so we're going to say times 2, 5 times 2, 10. We're going to subtract, and that's going to be 1. Then we're bringing down the 5, and we even put an arrow saying it is coming down. And then again, now we put the 3. 5 times 3, 15. We put the 15 here again and subtract, and 0. And same thing, we got the 23, but to me it's, whoops, much longer. And we did it. There's more to divisions, but not on this video. Harder ones in some other video.